Hey there folks, Darrell Hammond, darrellhammond.com is my website. Go ahead and go there, check it out, but not right now. You're going to want to stick around. Take a look at this new product by Dawud Islam and James Kennedy called Second Wave System. So what this is basically a back to basics learn how to make money online. So if you're a beginner, this product is great for you. If you're an affiliate marketer who's kind of having problems and struggling a little bit, then this is a good product for you, because basically it's going to take you back to the meat and potatoes basics of how to make money online. So let's take a look at the bonus page. This is the bonus page that we're on right now. The link to it is in the description below. Right down there, click on it. It'll take you to this page where you can click on any of these big, large buttons here and grab your copy today. So what this is, like I said, an over-the-shoulder training, a back to basics. Let's jump on over to the members area, and I'm going to show you what's inside. So this is what you're going to get with Second Wave System. So you're going to have a bunch of videos, a welcome video, overview video, and then the main training. They're going to introduce you to affiliate marketing, and then ClickBank particularly. There's going to be 5 offers that they're going to go over. These are the top 5 offers right now that are on fire in the ClickBank system. And so he goes over each one. He shows you how to use the resources that are available, and then he shows you how to promote them. And so that's great, is it just takes you step by step. And the other advantage about this is you're going to get a hold of Animal Kingdom Anarchy. And what this is a collection of 35 different training courses, and he shows you inside some of the most important ones to utilize to promote products as an affiliate marketer. And there's a whole bunch of other stuff that you can take advantage of and learn from. He also gives you some free squeeze pages and a special squeeze page for the Second Wave System. There are also some bonuses that are available. We'll go over those in a second, but this is where you will get them. They are in the members area, and there's also a couple of unadvertised bonuses, as you can see right here. That's basically what this is. Over the shoulder, teaching you how to make some money online with the basics of affiliate marketing. So let's jump back over to the bonus page. Like I said, this is my bonus page. The link is down in the description below. And you click on any of these big, large buttons, it's going to take you to this sales page right here. And that's Dawud and James Kennedy. And there's not a lot of hype on the sales page, because basically it's just a, simple back to the basics of learning how to make money online. But what I wanted to do on the sales page is kind of go on down, and there's some proof of income, and let's see, what we wanted to take a look at are the vendor bonuses that are available for you in this product. And then we're going to go over my bonuses that I'm going to give to you here in just a second. So the first bonus that the vendors are providing you are Ducky Dollars. Transform your social media results with our problem-solving solution. Bonus number 2 is the Lockdown Formula. This is an original release from Dawud and Jono Armstrong. Bonus number 3 are 6 ways to make money on TikTok. This is a hot social media platform that even the US presidents are talking about. This bonus is going to teach you how to make money on that platform 6 different ways. Bonus number 4 are 8 top high-ticket programs. You're going to learn how to make $500 to $1,000 per sale instead of just $5 to $10. And that's the difference between some of the products on, most of the products that you might promote, you might make $5 to $10 on Warrior Plus and stuff. This is going to teach you how to promote the high ticket ones where your commissions are $500 to $1,000. Bonus number 5 are the top 7 niches online. These are the best niches that you should be promoting right now. So those are the vendor bonuses. Let's jump back over to my bonus page. Let's take a look at the bonuses that I'm giving you, and then we will go over the pricing funnel. So let's cruise on down to the bonuses. The program, this program kind of teaches you a lot of free traffic sources and promoting on free traffic. And so that's the basics. You want to kind of get the hang of promoting on free traffic. And then once you're ready to move up to paid traffic, I've included a whole bunch of paid traffic training that you're going to get if you buy through the links on this page. So bonus number 1 is Effortless Facebook Profits. It's going to teach you all about paid traffic from Facebook. Bonus number 2 is everything you need to know about making videos on YouTube and utilizing that source to generate traffic to your offers. Bonus number 3 are AdWords retargeting tutorial. This is going to go over kind of how to retarget using AdWords. And then bonus number 4 are Bing Ads Mastery course. Bonus number 5 are Urgency Suites Pro. This teaches you how to create a sense of urgency in your marketing, and this gives you the tools to be able to do that. Bonus number 6, Lazy Man's Gold Mine. This is a step-by-step training to affiliate marketing. And bonus number 7, the loss code. Bonus number 8 is Fuego Breakout. And then finally are all the vendor bonuses that are available through the vendor, and we already covered those on the sales page. So here we are. This is the pricing funnel. The front end offer is $12.95, which is a minimal investment to learn all about the basics of affiliate marketing and how to do it the correct way. There is a downsell of $9.95, and to take advantage of that, most of the time you have to act like you're going to close the page. You will get a pop-up that asks you if you want to reconsider with a discount. So you're going to get the basic method for newbies to start quickly earning money as an affiliate marketer. Upsell number 1, a second wave system pro version. That's $37. There is a $17 downsell. You're going to be able to collect all of Dawood's previous pro versions of all of his products. That's worth over $500 total. Plus you're going to get 6 times super solo ads to send to over 16,000 members across Dawood's 25 make money online niche sites. Upsell number 2 is $97. That is the weekly DFY campaign. The $47 downsell on that. And what you're going to get on that one are 3 DFY campaigns each and every week, and you are going to need Commission Gorilla to utilize this upsell. Upsell number 3 are reseller rights to the second wave system. You're going to be able to sell this as if it were your own product. The price on that is $37. There is a $17 downsell. You'll get to keep 100% commissions across the entire funnel. Upsell number 4 is Steal Our Traffic. It's $97 and a downsell of $47. You're going to be able to put your pixel on Dawood's previous sales pages and take advantage of tens of thousands of proven buyers. The ultimate buyer traffic source, and it's at a real bargain. Upsell number 5 is $37. It's the VIP package. It's $17 downsell. You'll get VIP upgrades worth $64 each at all 25 of Dawood's sites in the Make Money niche, plus you get to put a banner of your choice in the rotator at all 25 sites on a permanent basis. So there you go. That's what you get with second wave system. Let's go over the bonuses again. You're going to get effortless Facebook profits. You're going to get everything you need to know to make money making videos on YouTube. And then you're going to get AdWords retargeting tutorial. You're going to get a Bing Ads Mastery training. You're going to get Urgency Suites Pro. You're going to get Lazy Man's Gold Mine. You're going to get the loss code. You're going to get Fuego Breakout. And then all those bonuses that we showed you on the sales page. And that is if you click on any of these big blue buttons on this bonus page, and once again the link to the bonus page is down in the description below. Take advantage of this offer and learn how to make money online as an affiliate marketer. There you go. That's it. That's all I got for you today. My name's Darrell Hammond. Thanks for stopping by. Go ahead and click like, ring that notification bell once you've subscribed to get notified of any more of these review videos I do, and then there's going to be some how-to stuff coming very soon. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. Go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think, how things are going, if you're having any trouble, and I will do my best to help you out. There you go. That's it. That's all I got. Have a great day. I'll see ya.